Hello everyone, in this video you will learn Windows 10 tips and tricks that everybody should use to enhance their productivity. Let's take a look. Number 1. Arrow Shake lets you quickly minimize all open windows except the current window by shaking its title bar. Shaking the title bar again will restore all the minimized windows. Number 2. Taskbar Calendar Event. Without opening the calendar, you can add event and reminder by just clicking on the date. Enter the name and choose the time and last. Mention the location and press save. If you are signed in with Microsoft account, you will get notified prior from the event. Number 3. Snip and Sketch. With Snip and Sketch, you can create, annotate, save and share screenshots. Known as Snip and Sketch, this app can take a shot of the entire screen, a rectangular section or a freedom area that you draw, further allowing you to highlight the area with the marker to make it more visible. Number 4. Focus Assist. Windows 10 Focus Assist is a handy feature that allows you to minimize or completely stop notification when you need to stay focused to get work done. In Windows 10, go to Settings. You can switch off the Focus Assist or make it your own customized priority list. Number 5. Slide to Shutdown. Allow you to shut down the PC by just clicking on the shortcut. You can add your own shortcut by creating a new shortcut and type the string as shown in the slide and save it. Just double click the shortcut and slide to shutdown feature will be available. Number 6. Time Difference. This is really a cool feature in alarm and clock. Just open the alarm and clock application, go to clock and add new clock. You can easily track the time difference between multiple locations. Number 7. Calculator. In Windows 10, the Calculator app is not just a standard calculator, it's a super rich feature application. With standard calculator feature, there are dozens of other features which you never seen before, just like scientific, date calculation, currency conversion, and many others you may explore. Number 8. Pause Update. You can easily pause Windows Update. Just go to Settings and select Update and Security. Here you will see an Pause Update option, or go to Advanced option to make your own customized update policy. Shared Experiences. Shared experiences allow you to start a task on one device to finish it on another, or easily set up a remote control or other campaign app on a smartphone. Shared experience between Windows 10 can easily transfer photos and files. Number 10. Old Start Menu. If you annoyed with the Windows 10 Start menu and wants to use old style Start menu, just right click on the Start button. You will get the old style menu. That's all for now. Hope you find this informative. and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.